Hello! This video tutorial is to assist you in finding the difference between the variance and standard deviation between a sample and a population. First, let's have a random data set. Here's a random data set, and the reason why it's random is just that I just randomly chose these 8 numbers. Now let's input them into the calculator to find the standard deviation and the variance. To input, hit Stat, then enter for Edit. That would be option 1. Notice how the data is already in, but as a quick reminder, to input each entry, simply type the number in and then enter. Now let's find the standard deviation and variance by hitting the Stat key. Use your right arrow key for one variable stat. An easier way to remember this is that you use one list, hence using one variable. Hit Enter. Please note that if you're using an older version of the TI-83 or TI-84, your screen would not look like this. Just hit Enter. If your screen looks like this, please make sure that you have L1 listed for your list. In case it does not, hit second, then the number 1. Make sure that your frequency list is clear. Now let's calculate. You may recall from a previous lesson that X bar will be your mean. This will be your mean for both a sample size and a population. But pay close attention to your SX and your sigma X. SX is your standard deviation for a sample. Your sigma, which is your OX, another way of saying it, is your standard deviation for a population. When you're given a particular data set, please pay close attention and comprehend by looking at the keywords of whether you're working with a population or with a sample. Again, if it's a sample, use SX. If it's a population, use OX. The calculator does not compute the variance. It only computes the standard deviation. In order to find the variance, based upon what is given to you, if it's a sample, especially if you're using a particular problem for Pearson, make sure you write all the numbers out for whatever your standard deviation is. Once you write all the numbers out, make sure you square it, which would be this key right here. That would determine your variance. If it's a population, you do the exact same thing. So again, make sure your key reading, when you read, look for keywords such as sample or variation or population variation. If it's a sample, once again use SX, and if it's a population, use sigma X. This concludes the video tutorial in the difference between finding the standard deviation and the variance for a sample and a population.